thank you for making coffee.
Yep, making some coffee.
You did this hot tattooed girl too?
And I made her necklace and her ring, and I did her hair and her makeup.
Aw, that is sweet. Oh my darling.
I put some, cut out a little piece of felt and threw that in there and just put some ribbons
Nice.
on the side so it kind of holds the box up.
Oh, that's precious.
And these are some more of my little hair clippies. And I just bought a loom and started making these on a loom.
Wow.
And just gluing little hair clips on the back. And gluing antique sewing buttons on there.
It's lovely. You're so crafty, and I always wonder how you are so productive. You own your own business. You make all kinds of beautiful jewelry. Oh, that has a scorpion in it.
Yeah, that's one of my casts. I cast that guy.
Is that a scorpion?
It's a scorpion, yeah, cast.
Did you
in
catch him?
resin. Mm-hmm.
And these are all your models too, in hair and makeup.
Did the hair and makeup on them. Good job. Alright, awesome. Thank you. Oh, which one? Alright, yep. Bye.
Like a surgeon. You are so lovely. My new hair.